Understanding Banking Operations and Customer Relationship by Francis Achigogo, Head of Operations. Banking Operations. Banking operations encompass all activities and processes that ensure smooth functioning of a bank's services. These operations include managing accounts, processing transactions, ensuring regulatory compliance, and offering financial products to customers. Key components of banking operations: account management, opening and managing savings, current and fixed deposit accounts, updating customer details, managing dormant accounts, and account closure. Transaction processing, real-time handling of deposits, withdrawals, fund transfers, and payments, reconciliation of daily transactions to ensure accuracy. Loan and credit facilities, assessing loan applications, disbursing funds, and tracking repayments, managing overdrafts and credit lines. Customer service, addressing inquiries, resolving disputes, and guiding customers through banking services, offering self-service options through digital platforms. Compliance and risk management, adhering to anti-money laundering, that's AML, and know your customer KYC regulations, monitoring accounts for suspicious activities to prevent fraud. Technology integration, utilizing core banking systems like Bank One for automation and efficiency, maintaining robust IT infrastructure for online and mobile banking services. Customer relationship in banking. This has to do with building strong, trust-based connections to retain and grow the customer base. Key aspects of customer relationship: customer-centric approach, prioritizing customer needs through personalized services, offering tailored financial products based on customer profiles. Trust and transparency, maintaining transparency in fees, charges, and terms of service, providing clear and accurate information to customers. Effective communication, regularly engaging with customers through email, SMS, and calls, providing proactive alerts for account activities or upcoming payments. Complaint resolution, addressing the grievances promptly to maintain customer satisfaction, and offering escalation channels for unresolved issues, that is dispute management. Loyalty and retention, incentivizing loyal customers through rewards, discounts, or special offers, periodically reviewing customers' accounts to suggest upgrades or new products. Use of CRM tools, employing CRM software to track customers' interactions and preferences, especially leveraging data analytics to anticipate customer needs and improve efficiency and delivery. Efficiency, knowledge of operations ensure streamlined services, reducing delays and errors. Customer satisfaction, strong relationships foster loyalty and drive customer retention. Compliance, adhering to banking regulations builds trust and avoids legal penalties and pitfalls. Revenue growth, happy customers are more likely to invest in additional products and services. Dormant account, what does it mean? It means account that has not had any financial activity for a long period of time, except for the posting of interest, that is system entries. In Ecodo Bank, an account that has not been operated for a period of 6 months is automatically classified as dormant by the system. Withdrawals cannot be made from a dormant account. To reactivate a dormant account, the customer needs to apply in writing and signature properly verified before the reactivation is done. Stop order. This is an order given by a customer, usually in writing, not to pay a check he has issued on his account. Such order must come from authorized personnel as contained in the account mandate. Once the order is received, the officer is expected to probably confirm that the check has not been paid already and then take necessary steps to ensure that it's not mistakenly paid when it eventually comes. Loss of checkbooks or ATM card. Where a customer informs the bank of loss of any of the above, necessary steps must be taken to prevent loss of funds, as the bank will be held liable. In the case of ATM, it is listed on the system to prevent unauthorized usage of the same card. Account closure. Account closure can be at the instance of the customer or the bank. If the bank suspects or discovers that an account is being used to carry out fraudulent or illegal transactions, the account can be blocked or closed by the bank and advise the customer accordingly. An account can be blocked or frozen by court order and directives from any of the regulatory authorities. If at the instance of the customer, necessary entries must be passed to ensure the account is zeroized. This usually attracts charges. Death of an account holder. Upon receipt of notice of death of an account holder, a post-no debit is placed on the account until an administrator is properly appointed and introduced to the bank. However, credit may be allowed into the account. Letter of administration is required to gain access to the account of a deceased customer. Returned check. This refers to a third-party check paid in by a customer to his account but was returned unpaid. The initial deposit entry will be reversed and a charge usually applies. There are various reasons why a check will be returned. Some of the reasons are DAR, that is, drawer's attention required, DCR, drawer's confirmation required, stale dated, that is, a check that has been issued over the past more than 6 months ago. Post-dated, a check issued at a day that has not been reached. Especially if you issue today is 10th, if you issue a check for the 15th, you cannot pay it now. Amount in words and figure differ. Alterations not signed. Refer to drawer. These are some of the examples of why checks can be returned. Thank you.